Not everyone wants to sit behind a desk. At evit STEM Academy, the high-tech manufacturing program is designed for students who want to be hands-on, build real things, and start a high-paying career right after graduation. With industry partners like Boeing and Honeywell, you'll receive hands-on experience and immersive training that sets you up for success and prepares you for employment after completing the program.
I've always enjoyed working with my hands, building things, tearing things down, putting it back together. I stumbled into this career. Went to college first couple years. We kind of just dropped out to figure it out everything, which I'm glad I did because I would have never found the passion that I found in this career.
Honestly, one of the most meaningful things is designing something that never existed. I was working on a new design that I've been kind of playing around with, and just last night it all came together. To this day, I think all of us just appreciate that little aspect of it. You know, one of the things that's interesting about what we do in the market and just where we're at now in society, the requirements and the features are only getting more sophisticated. We're always looking for more people to come in and pretty much catapult off what we've enjoyed doing. That's the role where young people play in this.
Your future in high-tech manufacturing starts here. Your future, your way at evit. Visit evit.edu to enroll today.